guys. Oops. Guys, I'm legit a big girl now. It's so cold. So I'm at Canada Service Center for my SIN. See, that's what they call it. And oops. So I literally just finished doing what I came here to do, and it's pretty fast, but I've been here like an hour ago and it only took about 8 minutes to be done though. The perks of coming in early, thanks to babe. So I'm going home by myself today. I came with babe, but I'm going home by myself, you know, enter the bus, do all of those things by myself. Such a big girl now. I hope I don't miss my way. There is the train station, the bus station, everywhere. Yeah, that's that. So I'm going back to take a bus back home.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need.
Guys, about me, stop me. I almost did. I wasn't so sure, but thank God I did not miss my stop. That's the core of the matter. The breeze or the wind is so much. I'm almost falling. It's more like I don't. The wind is pushing me. Maybe come over at this point in time, because I don't think my legs are even touching the ground. Yeah, so oops. I'm almost home. I feel so proud of myself. I didn't miss my stop. Can you imagine that? Oh, I'm back home. Yeah, there's sun. Honestly, at this point in time, there's really nothing to show you about clothes or anything, because no matter what you are wearing, even if you are wearing good, cover it up. It's morning. My face is swollen. Is it really swollen? You know, I kind of feel like I look prettier when I just wake up. Like, you should see me when I wake up. This is how I look. Really pretty. Really, really pretty. Just wait. You're checking well as somebody, all this beauty will just wash away. I don't understand why baiting do that to me. Like, fine. I don't get it. Anyway, guys, that's a dishwasher. Guys, I'm using dishwasher. Hey, that's finished video. Clean. I can decongest my dish. I'm using dishwasher. Anyway, this took several trials, guys. The first time I eventually used this dishwasher, it didn't clean. Like, some of it weren't that clean. My cups were so dirty. All of them were dirty. And then I just suddenly realized that I didn't give it enough time to do what it's supposed to do. Don't blame me. I never used one before. We don't use dishwasher in Nigeria. Don't blame me. So apparently, there is something. Apparently, there are indicators on this thing here. And this is what they mean. Wash, dry, clean. So when I click start, I'm supposed to leave it to continue till it gets here. It just happened today. Yay! It just happened today. I was just like, why is this taking so many hours? Okay, it wasn't hours, but it was taking so long, and I was like, no, maybe I was doing something wrong. So why is it taking so long to stop, then come back on, stop, come back on? And then I opened it, it was so hot, and I'm like, it's like I'm about to spoil this thing. So this morning I googled, I was like, hey Google, how long does it take a dishwasher to complete a cycle? And Google was telling me like 1.5 hours to 4 hours. Like, Oh, so I've been doing this all wrong. That's joy. So apparently, all these indicators must come on, and it did. It did this morning. My place should be clean. Let's open it. Let's open it. Let's open it. This is clean. Let's see what's inside. Guys. Oh, Jerusalem. This.
I ain't washing with my hands no more. Hey, babe, I ain't washing with my hands no more.
What?
Hear that?
Oh my God. Oh, there's something here. Something happened here. Oh, okay. Is it dead? Now I know how to do this. Now I know how to use this. Oh my God. Now I know how to use this.
We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic, believe you could have it, and I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
I don't know. I'm gonna try. Then Orogon. I'll try all the potatoes to know which one I can eat. But this is so soft. It's actually sweet. But it's weird looking and super soft.
What is that, Mama? Why are you hiding away from me?
Tell me, oh, will you believe? So 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 tell
I will sit down and sing and remember my childhood days.
Oh, there's a train coming in. They blocked it.
Hold on, let's move video. Come on, come on, video. What's your name? Hello, can you tomorrow? Kilo tu drove. Oh, Jamalo.
You come closer to that and you put it here.
Yeah.
And then I'll put
To correct crew or the